Hey Grunts, today I'm doing some patchwork on this tailgate of this command car. And I figured I'd show you guys a trick to filling some of these irregular holes. So stand by. So basically what I'm going to do is I have a number of these irregular holes and they can be kind of a challenge to patch. And I'm going to basically show you today how I fill them. So what I've done is I have a hole punch. Now this is a little bigger than probably what most of you guys have. And I went on here and I basically took some 16 gauge steel, which is the thickness of what I'm working on. And I just punched out some pieces out of some scrap 16 gauge steel. And then I took a hammer to them and just flattened out the divots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these graduated drill bits, which work really good on holes. I am going to basically drill out this hole. So it's a nice smooth diameter, this size diameter, and I am going to weld that in. So let's see how it comes out.